Hello, my wonderful people. Greetings from Family Chef to you. Today I'm going to cook a Ampesi, okay? Green plantain and spinach abomu. And let me kwado abomu pa. Inti mi babe ye. Abomu me wo me wa ha. E pa cho me board ye mi no. Mi je ne me mako kusua of course. Me wo me poku. Ansa na kobi. Kobi na ma na nko ye kura. It's frozen spinach and pacho say wo fresh one so to me dey. E be bon pesi sesi ade aka ye me pa me pe hwese me ko pa ho a. Enne. Greetings from me to you. Amuchewo mi kobi ni me mako mi no. Mako no pa be fa baako. So the kobi is being washed, the mako is washed. Because of frozen spinach, we don't wash it. So I'm going to pour the frozen spinach on top of this and boil them for 10 minutes. We have two different kinds of onion. If you don't want your mouth to smell that bad, this is really strong, the white one. Use this so you can talk to people after you eat this, okay? The kontomire na gum and the abomu bed debia. Spinach. Peanut butter. Let me put it aside. Then we go ahead and cut our onions. I'm using white onions for the palm oil. Now you can tell here our plantain and egg is almost cooked. This palm oil is going here in the fire. Do you remember our Kobe? The Kobe is going in too. We are doing that to flavor the palm oil. And we are shit because he said, Jane and Nina be brown. Well, the others were being our palm oil and our Kobe is still cooking. The plantain is cooked. One tip I'm giving to you: when you finish your plantain, put in the water. I have tomatoes here. It's optional. You don't have to. I still have my opoku here. The opoku will go in too. Maybe two is too much. Maybe I'll use just one. Let's put the opoku in. I brown the kobe. My chikobi ni kakra ewo anwani. Ibe ya to kontomire for you. Kontomire abomu. Na me twi ni kakra. Sisi ayango na you ready. Oh Jesus Christ, everybody na I did hear we are see you. In fact, Kobe no soon too. Jesus Christ. Me pacho kon no ye. I feel you be your body in a good plate. Na me dia kan krofo ehim de be come ya pa. Yeah, the enemy you ready. Body na you ready. Obi me nya me body. Mi kontomire abomu ni mi papa ye ntimi anye ye. Ready. Enwo na aka nkoso e. Enwo na aka nkoso. Body no so asunsun kama. Body no asunsun kama. This is the end of my abomu. Chop time no come around. But we my friend of me did you? She said, "You're not the Okay. Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family chef. Next week I'll. The enemy did you? But your monka fry. Chop time no camera.